You're listening to What's on Tap Guam, Guam Waterworks Authority podcast channel. Subscribe to get updates, information, and other topics of interest that concern Guam's most precious natural resource.
Half a day. I'm Lisa San Augustine, the Utility Service Administrator of Customer Service here at GWA. I'm here to share some information related to post-typhoon MAWAR recovery. I have 5 common questions here, and I'm going to answer them today. The first question is, what can customers who have restored water do to help GWA get water to those who still don't have any water? That's a great question. Conservation of water during an island-wide restoration is critical to getting water to everyone connected to our system. Delay flushing of driveways, car washing, and water blasting until such time that the water system has enough pressure to serve the island. The next question is, are customers expected to make their monthly payments even if they currently do not have water? The answer is yes. Customers are expected to make their monthly payments even if they currently do not have water. Should you be in need of a payment plan to pay off a GWA balance, contact one of our customer care representatives today and we can work that out for you. You may also want to use our customer service online portal off of our GuamWaterworks.org website. You can also do a payment plan that way as well. The next question is, what is the grace period for no pay GWA customers can expect before having water disconnected for non-payment? Customers who have a delinquent water bill should contact GWA customer care representatives to work out a payment plan. You can also use our customer service online portal off our website and we can help you there with the payment plan. The next question is, will GWA offer financial assistance through a pay plan so that they can continue to have water when restored? And if so, how will it work? Absolutely, a payment plan can be worked out to pay any GWA balance. So please contact a GWA customer care representative or use our portal off the GuamWaterworks.org site and work out a payment plan today. We're more than happy to help you with that. And the last question is, I am low on cash. All the stores accept cash only. What other means of payment can I use to make payment at GWA? I'm happy to tell you, all payment methods are accepted at GWA's locations. You can use cash, credit card, debit cards, check. We accept all methods of payment at our cashiers. And our 24-hour pay-by-phone service is online, working, so there are many ways that you can make your payment with GWA. We want to hear from you. So please call us at 671-647-7800 or 671-647-7803. You can also reach us via email at customers@guamwaterworks.org and our customer service online portal off our guamwaterworks.org website. On behalf of the men and women of GWA, we thank you for your patience and support as we work towards full water and wastewater recovery. Please stay safe. We wish you well. Si Diyos maasi.
For more information, visit guamwaterworks.org or call customer service at 671-647-7800. To reach our 24/7 dispatch, call 671-646-4211.